Here we go, guys. This is going to be the 18 boxer. This was set up Tuesday midday. Took a couple days to get this one to go, but it is a ton of boxes. 18 and a lot of hits. 6 over here, 3 over here. That equals 9. Down there. It's like card pack residue. Oh, it's a new one? Alright, I'll check it after this, Sam. Let me do the random teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, it's hard to get it all in there and show it's 9 times. But anyway, we got Bill on top. That'll go all the way down to Tim G. And that is 9 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shawnee gets all the Packers. Shauna, change your name from Eon to Shawnee. Anyway, that goes all the way down to the 49ers for Tim G. Tim, your card shipped out yesterday, by the way, Tim. The one's going to Canada. Okay. And that's it for that randomizer. I am going to paste this so people can look at it, and I'll be right back and we'll break it.